Did you know that Bedouins took afternoon naps to avoid the desert heat? Today, we're gonna find out how the Bedouins stayed cool in the desert heat way before AC. First off, they saw it coming. They paid attention to the direction of the wind as well as astronomy and the stars. Did you know that drinking hot drinks is actually better for you in the summer months? So when you're hot, do not be drinking iced lattes. Drink some hot tea instead. Travel was recommended during the evening, not during the day. Bedouins knew that a huge aspect of staying cool during the summer was the clothing. It was made out of thin material so that it was cool enough to let the wind through. This might seem like an obvious one, but Bedouins love to stay in the shade. Whether it was next to a camel or inside their tent, shade was their best friend. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, Bedouins love to take naps, both adults and children. So often mothers would call in their kids between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. to come in, avoid the summer heat, and take a good nap. Whether in clay pots, under the ground, or animal skin, having cool water around was essential to Bedouins. Speaking of cool water, the Bedouins also loved to take a dip at the beach when it was super hot.